Hello everyone. Nowadays we all are facing a new problem. It's that whenever we are trying to install a new app, suppose Twitter. Okay. So once I go here and I click on Twitter and click on update, it's showing me like that. Looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. And this happening with each and every app. Like suppose I click on Am I home? Okay, install. It's again showing that, and in many other app also we are getting the same problem. So how do we resolve this? So in this video we are going to talk about that, and the step is simple. So we are going to resolve this same problem. Okay, so what we are going to do is go to the settings. Okay, here go and go to your applications. Okay, once you go to your applications, okay, you can see the app manager. Once you open your app manager, you can find Google Play Store. Okay, and once you come here, what you need to do is disable. Okay, it will show you that all updates to this Android system app will be uninstalled. Okay, so we need to uninstall all the updates. Okay, it will take some time and it will uninstall all the updates. Okay, now it had been done. So what we are going to do is now is again open the Play Store. All the updates have been restored, and now open Am I Home? Okay, and then click on install. It will start installing. Similarly, click on Twitter. It will start updating. So this is how you need to resolve this issue. Okay, thank you.